Farmer Steph with Farm to Table Kids, and I'm with Cameron Bonsi from Coast of Maine. Today we're talking about the top 10 questions farm kids ask me during farm camp season. Cameron, what's our next question?
So what are your favorite plants to grow with kids?
Oh, this question melts my heart because I could talk for days about it. I've been growing with kids since Autumn was born, and that was 12 years ago. So I have so many things I love to grow. Few of my favorites: teddy bear sunflowers. Look them up. Oh my gosh, you'll see why. Kids just literally pet them because they're so fuzzy and beautiful. Large leaf basil, because it grows profusely with, if you cut it, it's a cut and come again type of basil. And it's also so aromatic, even just to the touch. So it's great to get kids incorporated with the garden that way. Radish is an absolute must grow because it has a 28-day growth cycle. So for all those little pickers that just need to constantly harvest, grow radish. And usually I grow radish alongside things like Brussels sprouts, which usually take forever. So we harvest our Brussels sprouts on Thanksgiving. With that in mind, I plant things like Swiss chard and beets interplanted with them because we can harvest those throughout the season while these babies are just cooking till Thanksgiving. So those are the things I love to grow for kids. Other things are like sun gold tomatoes. You really only need one plant. They're so prolific. And rainbow carrots, they're a must grow. Golden nugget carrot is so good. Oh my God, picnic peppers or lunchbox peppers. Those are the little rainbow petite ones that are seedless and great for lunch boxes. So like I said, I could go on, but those are a few of my favorites.
I think we should go over what you don't want to grow with kids, because it would be a shorter list.
Only eggplant and potatoes. That's it.